on or further down there. You jerk.
Fucking thing there ate me. Almost.
Watch your mouth.
Oh yeah, remember those big spiders I was telling you about?
Yes.
Yeah, there's one on your back.
Stop it! You went spider. Hey, look at the pretty white flowers.
Don't touch those.
Why?
They're dangerous.
But it's pretty.
They'll eat you alive.
What is it? There's not poison ivy.
No, because there's 4.
What do you mean there's 4?
Poison ivy has 3 leaves.
Well, what if you take one off? Then it only has 3.
Yeah.
Does it make it poison ivy then?
Yes. That's poison ivy. Is that? Yeah. Okay, look. Look.
Don't touch it!
No, 1 branch. 1, 2, 3 leaves. That's right.
With the little...
No, actually I have no idea if that really is or not. That is, because it's got the little white speckle. No.
Okay, go. Stay away from it then.
There it is, right there. That's it. Ah! My face is itchy.
My face is itchy. Oh, Sean.
Take a look at the shape of that leaf. Yeah? What's it look like?
A maple leaf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fucking tree. Well, I'm gonna jump over this fence.
Don't you dare.
No.
Sean, you be... no, not you either.
But I'll have fun. I'll have fun falling to my death. Just until I hit the ground and I go flat.